inside this package, I have the Alphabet Lore E Plush inside, so let's open it. And I also wanted to tell you, we have R, finally. He's very cartoonish, I like him. Over there. And we finally found a C Plush. He's by Fabric Creations. Looks really cool. So now let's open this guy up. It came in like 1,000 different packages. We got 4 packages. This is one of them. Oh, yep. It says Alphabet Lore Plush E. So, does he need any air? I think he needs air. I showed my dad how to do it. Do you need air? Do you need air, sir? Oh, he does. Open. Oh my gosh! Look at this guy. I'm E. This one looks really cool. Whoa! Like the detail on this is just amazing. E. I like this guy. With the little chompers, so I can chomp stuff, I guess. There was another version, like a different color eye, but we wanted to get this one because it looked more normal from the video, I guess. And plus, that E, there wasn't really a lot of options out yet, so we got this one because it was the only one that came the quickest, you know? Oh, I just noticed our tree is decorated. Oh, the star on the top! Oh my gosh! But anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of today's video, and we'll see you guys next time.